What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So you can see that NEO since last week, Friday, the close, we have seen a drop in price, just a slight one. Looks like price closed right around the 525 level, went up Monday, got rejected from that prior resistance at the $6 level. So you see that the line price went right up to it, and the line's not random because I'm just marking what happened in history. So you see that this was prior resistance, and what happened again? Price broke above, could not find support, tested that level again for resistance, and then sold off. So again, the lines are just to illustrate what's going on the chart. So again, the line, it's not like I'm drawing a line like that, right? Like a random line cutting through everything and just doing random things. I'm just marking to help me visualize what's going on in the chart. So it's just a tool, right? You're using the tool to help you visualize what's going on. So I can clearly see quickly that there's support at the 370, resistance at the 605. So overall, price is most likely going sideways, but there are trends in this sideways price action. So as right now, it looks like bears are going to be attempting to make another sizable drop. This is all one large leg right here. This will be the start of the second leg, and it's targeting the 330. So we could be seeing price come back down to these prior low levels and potentially break it, because traders, they use stop losses, so they're going to put the stop losses under these swings. Some of them. So there's a bunch of stop losses from longs under the swing low. So if they're like, okay, if price comes all the way back down here, I want to get out because it can go much lower. So there's a bunch of stop losses that the bears could be targeting at these lower price levels. And also, there wasn't a lot of support built up from this up move. So right now we are at support. It's not guaranteed we go lower, but as right now, it's not looking good. You could adjust this trend line right here. So price is below this trend line. We have a measure of target in play, and overall the trend has been down. The macro trend is down as well. So it looks like if this support doesn't hold at the $5 level, we're gonna probably see a breakdown to the 412s, 369, and potentially 328. So lower price levels. If the support holds, well, again, bulls still have an upward battle to face. We have the downward trend line in play. We have the $6 level that price just got rejected from. We have this downward trend line right over here. Then we have the 720 level. So again, traders are gonna go the path of least resistance, and they're gonna be favoring shorts because that's where most of the profit will be made and less risk instead of looking for longs. So that's how I'm seeing the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Definitely a strong rejection this week, and most likely it's going to be closing red. Not a good looking candle. It looks like a very strong bearish candle. And overall, the trend is down. Price is making lower lows, lower highs. And there was a nice moment of enthusiasm by the bulls right over here, but they were not able to break that $7 level and stay above it. And you can see that it just got rejected off of this downward trend line and that horizontal level, and it looks like price is still trying to go down lower. So overall, still bearish over in the macro and micro. We'll see if the support can hold. But I'm looking at one bullish thing versus like so many other bearish things. So you have to be, weighing your options, right? Like if you need to see the both sides of the story. If you only see one side, then that's not a good thing. You're gonna make mistakes. That's can lead to big mistakes and stuff like that. So you have to look at both sides of the story. Okay, if I was a bull, what is there to be bullish about? If I was a bear, what is there to be bearish about? And then sometimes it's not a huge imbalance, right? And that's when you get something like this. When it's not a huge imbalance, when there's like an equal amount of bullish and bearish reasons, you kind of get something like that. Choppiness, consolidation, even over here. So as right now, it's looking macro and micro bearish. That's all I have for NEO on the daily weekly charts. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades. Thank you for your time.